update for the 13th of October. Congratulations, you've almost drank all of our beer, but that's okay. We're going to make more. On tap, we still have St. Isidore, Flatland Wheat, and wait for it, Sanderson Garden Strawberry is back on tap, so get down to the pub and have it. There's still some Pepper Jack, and coming up very soon, a beer called Local Culture, made with yeast right out of the Union Labs in Sioux Falls. If you guys like sour ales, you're going to like that one. But don't worry, we're making more beers. Chris, what are we transferring this week?
Yeah, let's have some tanks. We've got the Lucky 101, that's done, that's going to get transferred probably today. We've got some more Hobo Brew coming up soon, that's probably going to get transferred today. Little Red Top's coming back, everyone loved that one, so I mean that's pretty much done, that'll be on at some point this week. Black Hill Schwartz beer in the tank that the camera is sitting on. It's also coming back pretty soon. So we're going to have a lot of empty tanks, which means a lot more brew days, a lot more beer coming up.
And I think we even got a farmhouse out here. Really close.
They're all pretty much done at the moment. There's a lot of beer.
It's like we're preparing for some big weekend coming up. I wonder what that will be. I don't know. We'll have to check our schedules. But actually, for the things we are going to brew, we've been asked to do the beans again, so we're going to do the beans with the local coffee. That will be coming up this week. We've actually been asked for the Cool Blonde. This one has been a bit missing from our lineup as of the last couple of months, so we're going to do that again. And then I think we're going to throw another cream ale together because that's wildly popular, and there is a certain event coming up in a week in Brookings. Yeah. Some big day in the Dakotas or something. We'll have to, again, maybe we'll look it up online.
I'll check the calendar.
All right, guys, as always, we are home of events. Come join us for Trivia Tuesday, Wall Street Wednesday, Open Mic on Thursday. This Friday, we're doing a chili feed. It's the night before the pheasant opener, so we're going to put on my award-winning chili. If you want, follow us on Facebook, like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think we can superimpose it up here on, look at that, magic. All right, guys, as always, we'll see you at the pub this week.